the most important chapter in trigonometry for class 11, that is multiple and submultiple angles. Let us see the formula in this chapter. The first formula, that is the formula of sin 2a. How can it be derived? Now what we know, what is the formula of sin a plus b, that is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b we learned. Now if this b is equal to a, instead of b if we put a here, that will be sin a plus a, that is sin a cos a plus cos a sin a, that can be written as sin 2a, that is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Similarly cos a plus b, what is the formula of cos a plus b? We know cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now if we write a instead of b, it will be cos a plus a, that is cos a minus sin a sin a, that is cos square a minus sin square a. Now if this cos square a is written in the form 1 minus sin square a, we know sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So cos square a can be written 1 minus sin square a, then it will be converted to 1 minus 2 sin square a. And similarly if we write this sin square a in terms of cos, that is 1 minus cos square a, it will be 2 cos square a minus 1. So what we got, what is the formula of cos 2a? That is cos square a minus sin square a, 2 cos square a minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square a. Any one of these three can be used. Again, if we want to represent the formula of sin 2a cos 2a in terms of tan, what it will be? We know sin 2a, that is 2 sin a cos a. Now if we multiply the numerator and denominator by sec square a, this the numerator will be 2 sin a cos a, sorry, a is not written here, 2 sin a cos a into sec square a means 1 by cos square a. So 1 cos a will be eliminated, that is 2 sin a by cos a, that is 2 tan a, and we know sec square a, that is 1 plus tan square a, as sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. So this sin 2a will be 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Similarly cos 2a, we know cos square a minus sin square a. In the same process, if we multiply sec square a to the numerator and to the denominator, sec square a means 1 by cos square a. If we multiply this 1 by cos square a to these two terms, this one will be 1 and this one will be tan square a. So 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Now the formula of tan 2a. What we know? What is tan a plus b? Tan a plus b means tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So if this angle b is replaced by a, what we will get? Tan a plus a, that is tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a, that is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So tan 2a, that is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Now the formula of sin 3a and cos 3a. What is sin 3a? Now this sin 3a can be written sin 2a plus a using the formula of sin a plus b, that is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, that is this can be written as sin 2a cos a plus cos 2a sin a. Now sin 2a means 2 sin a cos a into cos a, and cos 2a, this one we know 1 minus 2 sin square a into sin a. Now multiplying this, and here this cos square a, cos a into cos a, that means cos square a, we know cos square a means 1 minus sin square a. Now multiplying, we will get 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, that is sin 3a, the formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Similarly cos 3a can be written as cos 2a plus a, that is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, sorry, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b using the formula of cos a plus b, that is this can be written as cos 2a cos a minus sin 2a sin a. Okay, this cos 2a means 2 cos square a minus 1, and this sin 2a, that is 2 sin a cos a, that is into sin a, that is 2 sin square a into cos a. Sin square a means 1 minus cos square a. Then by multiplying we will get 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos A. So what is the formula of cos 3A? That is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Now tan 3A. What is the formula of tan 3A? We know the formula of tan A plus B plus C, that is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. Now if we replace the angle B by A and also the angle C by A, then what we will get? Tan A plus A plus A, that is equal to tan A plus tan A plus tan A minus tan A into tan A into tan A by 1 minus tan A into tan A minus tan A into tan A minus tan A into tan A, replacing B and C both by A, then it will be 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. So what is the formula of tan 3A? That is 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. So let us see again the formula in multiple angles. Sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin theta cos theta, or in terms of tan, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, cos 2 theta, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Then tan 2 theta, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, sin 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now these are the formula of some multiple angles. How can we get? Now if in this first formula, if we replace theta by 2, if the angle theta is replaced by theta by 2, then 2 into theta by 2, that is theta. So sin theta will be 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, or you in form of tan, 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Similarly cos theta will be cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, or 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, or 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Similarly tan theta will be, again theta is replaced by theta by 2, tan theta will be 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. In these two cases, theta is replaced by theta by 3. To eliminate this 3, we have to replace this theta by 3. Then the formula will be sin theta, that is equal to 3 sin theta by 3 minus 4 sin cube theta by 3, and cos theta will be 4 cos cube theta by 3 minus 3 cos theta by 3. Now for these two cases, tan 3 theta, that is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So if we replace this theta by 3, what we will get? Tan theta, that will be 3 tan theta by 3 minus tan cube theta by 3 by 1 minus 3 tan square theta by 3. And similarly we know tan square theta, that is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So if we replace this theta by 2, we will get the formula of some multiple angles, that is tan square theta by 2, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta.